Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to apply ambient light to your scene in ThreeJS. So here you can see I've applied the ambient light. Now the scene itself is pretty boring, but suppose if I just comment out my ambient light and I am using mesh standard material, here you can see that you can't see anything on the screen. So that's what ambient light is used for, to create different kind of scenes, like to apply some kind of light to your particular scene. So this is the output. Now to get started, I am using Vite and I have created normal HTML, CSS and TypeScript project using this particular command. You can use whatever you feel like. Then inside package.json, so I'll just close this. I have added this dependency of 3, and inside dev dependency I have added type/3 because I am using TypeScript. Then inside index.html I have added the canvas element of id canvas. Style position is fixed, top left is 0 and outline is none, and here we are referencing our TypeScript file. Then inside main.ts, these are all the imports, so if you want you can just copy paste all these imports. Here I have also imported orbit controls. Then we are getting hold of our canvas, we are creating one scene, and this is how you create an ambient light. So this is the color of the ambient light and this is the intensity. So if you want you can change the intensity to 1, and if I want I can change the color. I'm not sure what this color is, let's see. So here you can see it looks completely different. So here I have added our ambient light, and this mesh standard material requires light, otherwise it can't be, otherwise it is not visible. And here I have just added some roughness to it, and I have created 3 mesh: sphere, cube as well as torus. And I have also created one plane just to just so that it is kind of like a surface to hold the 3 mesh. And here I have added them all to the scenes. Then here inside sizes I have just occupied the entire width and height of the screen. I have created one perspective camera, added it to our scene. Then I have created orbit controls just for translation or rotation. And here I have created one WebGL renderer. I am passing our canvas to it, setting the size for our renderer, and on resize I'm just updating our camera as well as our renderer. On double click I'm entering or exiting full screen mode. And here I have created one clock, and this is called every frame per second, but we are not really doing anything. I think this is fine. In case if you want to remove this code you can do it, but make sure you add this renderer somewhere over here, otherwise you won't see your screen. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can use ambient light in ThreeJS. Thank you for watching. Bye.